The surface of Mars, a tapestry of red dust and ancient wonders, holds a place of special fascination for us. Utopia Planitia. This vast plain, its name a beacon of hope, is more than just another Martian desert. Utopia. Planitia is one of the largest impact basins in our solar system. It's a testament to the violent forces that shaped the early solar system. But from this destructive past comes a potential future, one where Utopia Planitia plays a key role in our exploration of Mars. We'll explore its formation, its secrets, and the possibilities it holds for humankind's future among the stars. Imagine a time billions of years ago, when the solar system was young. Planets were still forming, and the cosmos was a chaotic dance of celestial bodies. An asteroid, colossal in size, hurtled through the emptiness of space. Its trajectory, a cosmic roll of the dice, intersected with the path of Mars. The impact was unimaginable, unleashing energy that dwarfs our most powerful weapons. This impact carved out a gigantic scar on the Martian surface, the Utopia Planitia Basin. The shockwaves rippled through the planet's crust, creating fractures and altering its geology. The impact that created Utopia Planitia was a defining moment in Martian history. Utopia. Planitia is more than just a crater. It's a time capsule preserving billions of years of Martian history. Its layers of rock and dust tell a story of volcanic eruptions, shifting climates, and the ever-present forces of erosion. Scientists study the geology of Utopia Planitia to piece together the history of Mars. The composition of its rocks reveals clues about the planet's interior and the processes that shaped its surface. Unlike the heavily cratered highlands, Utopia Planitia is relatively flat. This suggests that it was resurfaced at some point in its history, perhaps by volcanic flows or the deposition of sediments. By studying this ancient impact basin, we can gain insights into the processes that shaped our own planet and the early solar system as a whole. The search for life, even if it's just microbial fossils, has always been a driving force in our exploration of Mars. Viking 2, touching down on Utopia Planitia in 1976, carried with it the hopes of a planet eager to know if it was alone in the universe. The lander performed experiments designed to detect signs of life, but the results were inconclusive, leaving us with more questions than answers. However, Viking 2's mission wasn't a failure. Its instruments detected something else beneath the surface of Utopia Planitia water ice. The presence of water ice had profound implications for the possibility of past, or even present life on Mars. Water ice could be a valuable resource for future explorers, providing drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Utopia Planitia, with its subsurface ice reserves, suddenly became a very interesting place to visit. Viking 2's discovery of water ice in Utopia. Planitia ignited a fire of curiosity, sparking a series of missions designed to uncover the secrets of this frozen world. Orbiters like Mars Odyssey and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter peered beneath the surface, mapping the extent of the ice deposits. These missions revealed that Utopia Planitia harbors a vast reservoir of water ice, enough to fill Lake Superior many times over. The ice is thought to be a relic of a bygone era when Mars may have had a thicker atmosphere and flowing water on its surface. In 2008, NASA's Phoenix lander touched down in the northern plains of Mars, far from Utopia Planitia. Phoenix dug into the soil, uncovering white patches that, when exposed to the sun, slowly sublimated away, clear evidence of water ice. These missions have painted a clearer picture of Utopia Planitia as a frozen wasteland with a hidden treasure, a vast reserve of water ice that holds the key to understanding Mars' past and the potential for its future. As we set our sights on sending humans to Mars, the question of where to land becomes paramount. We need a location that offers a balance of scientific interest, access to resources, and safety for our astronauts. Utopia Planitia, with its vast water ice reserves, is emerging as a prime candidate. Water is essential for human survival, but transporting large quantities of it to Mars would be incredibly difficult and expensive. Utopia. Planitia's water ice could be used not only for drinking, but also for producing oxygen, for breathing, and hydrogen for fuel. This would make long-duration missions on Mars far more sustainable and affordable. The flat, smooth terrain of Utopia Planitia makes it an ideal location for landing spacecraft and establishing a base camp. Water ice is more than just a resource. It's a lifeline for future human explorers on Mars. The ability to extract and utilize water ice on Mars will be crucial for establishing a permanent human outpost. Imagine a future where astronauts on Mars don't rely solely on supplies sent from Earth. Instead, they harvest water ice from the Martian soil, using it to grow crops, produce fuel, and create a self-sustaining habitat. Technologies for extracting water ice from Martian soil are already being developed and tested. The discovery of abundant water ice on Mars, particularly in Utopia Planitia, has transformed our understanding of the planet's potential to support human life. It has also ignited a new wave of excitement and investment in Mars exploration, bringing us closer to the day when humans will set foot on the red planet. The allure of Mars is not limited to any single nation. China, with its rapidly advancing space program, has set its sights on the red planet, joining the quest to unravel its mysteries. In 2020, China launched its ambitious Tianwen-1 mission, a bold step in its journey to become a major player in space exploration. Tianwen-1, meaning questions to heaven, carried an orbiter, a lander, and a rover, showcasing the nation's technological prowess. The mission successfully entered Mars orbit in February 2021, marking a significant milestone for China's space program. While Tianwen-1's primary landing site was not Utopia Planitia, the mission's orbiter has been diligently mapping the Martian surface, including this intriguing region. The data collected by Tianwen-1 will contribute to our understanding of Utopia Planitia's geology, water ice distribution, and potential as a future landing site for human missions. Utopia. Planitia is not just a destination, it's a stepping stone on humanity's journey to the stars. By establishing a permanent presence on Mars, we would gain invaluable experience in living and working on another planet, knowledge that could pave the way for future missions to even more distant worlds. Imagine a future where Mars is a bustling hub of human activity, a testament to our ingenuity and our indomitable spirit of exploration. From this Martian base camp, we could launch missions to the outer solar system, exploring the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The lessons we learn on Mars will be invaluable as we venture further into the cosmos. Utopia Planitia could be the proving ground for technologies and strategies that will enable us to become a truly spacefaring civilization. The exploration of Mars, particularly the Utopia Planitia region, is a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. From the early flyby missions to the sophisticated rovers that now traverse its surface, each step we take on Mars brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Utopia Planitia, with its vast water ice reserves, smooth terrain, and potential for harboring clues to Mars' past, stands as a beacon of hope for future exploration. It's a region that holds the key to unlocking the secrets of our celestial neighbor, and perhaps even to paving the way for a human future beyond Earth. As we look to the future, we can envision a time when human footprints mark the red dust of Utopia Planitia. The journey to Mars is a marathon, not a sprint. Utopia Planitia is more than just a place on Mars. It's a symbol of our collective ambition to reach for the stars.